In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord not sharing audio. The first step is to end your current screen share by disconnecting. Once that's done, click the settings cog in the bottom left corner. In the left sidebar, scroll down to app settings and select voice and video. Now check a couple of things. Make sure your output volume is turned up. Confirm your output device is set to the correct one. If your viewers still can't hear your screen share audio, scroll down to the bottom of the voice and video page. Look for the option that says use an experimental method to capture audio from applications. Turn that setting on. If that doesn't solve it, try this. Scroll back and click Reset Voice Settings. On your computer, right-click the speaker icon in the bottom right corner and open Volume Mixer. Check that output device is correct. Once everything looks good, return to your voice channel and restart your screen share. And that's it. That's how to fix Discord not sharing audio.